Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure StanStore to monetize your Shopify brand content step by step clearly. To configure StanStore to monetize your Shopify brand content, start by logging into your Shopify. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the App Store's search bar, type StanStore and hit enter. Locate the StanStore app from the search results and click on it. Hit that Add App button to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the integration. After installation, open the StanStore app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, create an account with StanStore if you don't already have one. Fill in the required fields, including your brand name and contact information. Once your account is created, familiarize yourself with the StanStore interface. Go to the Settings tab within the app to customize your configuration. Here, you can set your preferred payment methods. Make sure to link your bank account or payment processor for payouts. After setting up payment methods, explore the product integration options. Select the products you want to monetize from your Shopify store. Use the features in StanStore to create exclusive content around these products. You can add promotional materials, descriptions, and pricing to attract customers. Once you've set up your products, review all configurations to ensure accuracy. Now, customize your StanStore URL to make it more brand specific. Make sure to promote this URL across your social media channels. Consider using analytics tools within StanStore to track performance. Regularly monitor sales and engagement to refine your strategy. Remember to update your store with new products or content as needed. With these steps completed, you're ready to start monetizing your Shopify brand content with StanStore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.